Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McGovern RT Hyundai, we have the all-new 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9. These are just starting to hit lots. 68,805. This is an SEL all-wheel drive. Abyss black over black. Ambient lighting in the interior, of course. All your rear temp controls there. Ooh. USB-C charging. Love the back end of this car. Wow, that looks cool. Plenty of space. Obviously over 300 miles of range. This looks like your charge door here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Just all in all, a very, very good looking car. Do have a frunk, I believe. I know you had the ability to open it on the key fob. Yep. Perfect. Wireless charging. Very, very cool. Heated, cooled seats, heated wheel, a couple different drive modes. Now watch these lights. So these are pretty darn cool. I don't know if it's going to come across in the camera. You have sport, and then terrain mode. You have snow, mud, sand. Back to sport. There we go. Let's go for a drive. So this is how you control your regen braking. This decreases the amount of regen. So right now this is level 0. So it's just gonna do normal car, full one pedal driving. This is actually what I've been driving it in. The ride is really, really good over these rougher roads and some big bumps. Super, super settled. Very, very quiet. That's one thing I was very impressed at, is how quiet this ride was. Something about electric cars and just that instant power, instant torque. So I'm not braking right now. This is all one pedal. Now what I do like too is you don't just have one range number. You have a minimum and a maximum. So that I really, really like, because with some electric cars, all right, you have a sporty drive session. Okay, now it's telling me my range is 3, when in reality, if I drove eco-friendly-ish, I could get 35 miles or whatever. So this tells you, okay, at a minimum, you'll get 60 miles, but if you're really careful, you can get 98. Right now, based on your driving, 79 miles. Love it. It's how it should be. Just ease off the gas, accelerator. My foot's technically still on the pedal, and that just came to a complete stop by itself. Very, very intuitive one pedal driving. I like that. Oh, perfect. No, I'm very impressed with this, and you know, for a 3-row electric SUV, this is pretty cool. I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one.